Over 3 billion people depend on marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihoods. However, today we are seeing 30% of the world's fish stocks overexploited, reaching below the level at which they can produce sustainable yields. Oceans also absorb about 30% of the carbon dioxide produced by humans. And now, we are seeing a 26% rise in ocean acidification since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. Marine pollution, an overwhelming majority of which comes from land-based sources, is reaching alarming levels with an average of 13,000 pieces of plastic litter to be found on every square kilometer of ocean. This SDG aims to sustainably manage and protect marine and coastal ecosystems from pollution, as well as address the impacts of ocean acidification, enhancing conservation and the sustainable use of ocean-based resources through international law will also help mitigate some of the challenges facing our oceans.
Sustainable Development Goal number 14 aims to: by 2025, prevent and significantly reduce marine pollution of all kinds, in particular from land-based activities, including marine debris and nutrient pollution. By 2020, sustainably manage and protect marine and coastal ecosystems to avoid significant adverse impacts, including by strengthening their resilience and take action for their restoration in order to achieve healthy and productive oceans. Minimize and address the impacts of ocean acidification, including through enhanced scientific cooperation at all levels. By 2020, conserve at least 10% of coastal and marine areas consistent with national and international law and based on the best available scientific information. Over 3 billion people depend on marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihoods. Oceans contain nearly 200,000 identified species, but actual numbers may lie in the millions. Oceans absorb about 30% of carbon dioxide produced by humans, buffering the impacts of global warming. Oceans serve as the world's largest source of protein, with more than 3 billion people depending on the oceans as their primary source of protein. Marine fisheries directly or indirectly employ over 200 million people. As much as 40% of the world oceans are heavily affected by human activities, including pollution, depleted fisheries, and loss of coastal habitats.